Listen. Spatchcocking is very easy. Hey guys, I'm Rachel P, and today I'm going to be showing you how to spatchcock a chicken. Spatchcock is just a funny word for cutting the backbone out of the bird and laying it out flat so that it cooks faster and it cooks more evenly. All you need to get started are a pair of kitchen shears, a knife, and of course, your chicken. First, you're going to want to pat your chicken dry with some paper towels. It doesn't need to be perfectly bone dry. You just want to make sure that it's not super slippery when you're cutting it open. We're going to be cutting out the chicken's backbone, so we need to flip this guy over. And we're cutting about an inch strip down the center. It's where the rib bones meet the backbone. It's right along the sides of the tail on each side. And I'm going to use a knife to actually cut some guides. And this helps also because I think with your kitchen shears, sometimes the trickiest part is getting it to cut through that skin. So if you can do that part ahead of time, it's really going to make the actual bone cutting a little bit easier on you. So now we have those little guides. I'm going to take my kitchen shears. You're welcome to do this with gloves if you don't relish touching a raw chicken quite as much as I do. You're just going to cut on both sides. Ooh, that's crunchy. Which may or may not be a sound that you enjoy. But as you can see, it came right off. We've got half of it done, and now we're just going to do the other side. And you know, it goes without saying, you want to kind of be mindful of where you're keeping your fingers during this process so that, you know, everyone stays intact. Everyone being your fingers. More crunching. You can either toss this or you can keep it to make some stock. But now that we have our backbone out, if you flip this chicken back over, it's gonna lay nice and flat, kind of with its knees knocked together, so it's a very coy little chicken. If the bird doesn't lay flat enough, you can press down on the breastbone and break it a bit. At this point, your bird is spatchcocked, so what you do next is kind of up to you. If you want to brine it so that it stays extra flavorful and juicy while it's in the oven, you can check out my recipe for another roasted chicken on JoyFullFoods.com. You probably only have one question left, which is, do I really have to do this myself? And the answer is no. You can just go up to the butcher counter at your grocery store, hand them a chicken and say, can you please cut the backbone out of this? You do not even have to say spatchcock in the presence of another human being. They will cut it out for you. You can even ask them to leave the backbone in the bag for you so that you can take it home. For more tips and recipes, check out my website, JoyFullFoods.com. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and click right now to subscribe for more videos. I approve this message. Bye.